Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Asbury, local and long-distance movers near me. Some movers specialize in moving things from one place to another, but within a city's borders. These are local movers. You may find several of them among Asbury's movers in 2023. One of them is Asbury Local Movers. They know the city well and make it possible for them to carry out a relocation using the best routes. They know the traffic well enough to beat it. They know how to avoid many challenges moving within the city brings, and which ones they can't avoid, and what to do when they encounter these unavoidable ones. Asbury Long Distance 3 Movers are among the many Iowa movers who can assist you with moving your things into the city. They can plan for your relocation considering different relocation regulations in different places and challenges unique to long-haul relocations. They have certifications that allow them to operate in other states. They should have insurance coverage. Damages and losses can happen during relocation, especially across a long distance, and you shouldn't have to handle them alone. Movers charge differently, and surely you don't want to spend more than you have to. To get a good service at pocket-friendly prices, you should get quotes from different movers and compare them before deciding who to hire. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Asbury moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.